Please welcome Curious AI.
Thanks, Gnani. At Curious AI, our mission is to use AI to address the productivity skills gap that we see in large enterprises. So to start at the beginning, based on our experience, despite all the technology investments, enterprises still struggle to improve performance by using data. Right? While technology is largely focused on analytics and doing data analysis, we believe asking the right questions or knowing what to look for is really 90% of the puzzle. Right? To give you a sense of the scale of the size of the problem, by 2026, we have spent about 15 times more money on data teams and data analysts as compared to all the analytics, BI, and AI platforms put together. At Curious, we've developed a technology that can be trained to mimic a human domain expert in business operations. Today, we are taking this technology and applying it to find trends and automate root cause analysis in sales operations. Eventually, we will expand beyond sales operations to other business operations functions like product insights, revenue operations, etc. Based on our initial feedback, out of the box, we see a 25 to 35% time and efficiency saving for business analysts. Over time, as the platform learns and improves, we believe we can automate the entire data flow or data analysis workflow. Today, the product layers itself as a form of contextual intelligence that can augment a business analyst. For example, when you look at reports like this, which are showing you recurring revenue for two different customer segments, there's a lot of data being thrown at you. Curious is able to automatically identify the fact that something unusual happened in a 3-quarter period. Because we can see revenues are dropping, Curious will also suggest that you look at either customer churn or changes in buying profiles as possible root causes for this particular trend. Now, one of the things that makes us unique is the fact that if I log in as a different user into this platform, I may see a completely different set of insights. We think the power of this technology is in being able to personalize the right kinds of insights to the right person in the right context. Every business is unique. Every business analyst is looking for a different angle to the same problem. In terms of product vision, while we're very bullish in terms of the technology and stuff, we've tried to reimagine the entire data experience from a business analyst lens. Right? Imagine logging into a single pane that contains all your key metrics, as well as it gives you the insights into various aspects of business operations, as well as gives you a platform for communicating and collaborating with peers. Commercially, this is a fairly large market, and we are starting off by focusing on a very small segment in the high-tech and SaaS space. We come in at about a $40,000 price point. This is about 3% of the annual savings we are able to realize. We also have a $50 per user per month variable component that we charge, and this lets us scale to match the size of the enterprise that we're going to work with. Right? In terms of initial traction, we are very bullish. We were hoping to do 3 POCs this year. We've already lined up 4, and we'll most probably double this number by the end of the year. In terms of the landscape, we think this is an opportunity to introduce a new first-of-its-kind product. There are no competitors we know of today that are actually able to provide the same kind of capabilities. We believe Salesforce Einstein will catch up to this eventually. However, we see this as a land grab opportunity. The personalization metadata we collect, it builds in tremendous lock-in. To our pleasant surprise, platforms like Looker see this as complementary technology and a natural upsell for their reps. So as a result, we are designing a GTM based on partnerships with some of these data platforms. As a team, Jigar and I met in McKinsey, but between the two of us for the last 20 years, we've built and scaled businesses both at a startup level as well as in large organizations. So let me take a step back and just recoup what we were talking about. So at Curious, we're trying to solve an age-old problem by applying state-of-the-art technology. We think we have a unique combination of timing and technology that makes the market very attractive. We're very bullish based on initial feedback. And please come by our booth and take a look at the demo if you'd like to.
Thank you.